Hey there, I wanted to feature today's hot new completed floor plan for Saussy Burbank in the beautiful Summers Corner community in Summerville. This is the Conifer Floor Plan. This home is 2,065 square feet with an additional screened-in porch, a possible converted fourth bedroom with a full bath and walk-in closet downstairs. This property is in, again, the Summers Corner community, which has full amenities, including a pool, several play parks, lots of green spaces, a dog walking or play park, trails, a 95-acre lake, as well as 2 ponds. Back over this way is your restaurant, wine bar, and coffee shop. Let's go inside. Upon entering, you're greeted with gorgeous hardwood floors that run throughout the first floor and second floor. Your foyer is quite large and features a gorgeous chandelier. Off to your left, this space could be used as a formal living room or a dining room space. This is also the space that could be closed off for an additional fourth bedroom, as it features a walk-in closet and a full bath with granite countertops, tile floors, and an extended shower. That's not an insert, that is full tile. Back down the hall, you have your coat closet for additional storage. And we open up into the great room, which features, again, hardwood floors, a fireplace, and beautiful sight lines of your backyard, as well as an open concept into your kitchen. Check out those countertops. And I do love the pendant lighting. How's that for sightline and entertaining? Summers Corner is a natural gas community. This model features gas appliances. You have a custom vent hood and some beautiful tile backsplash. That is subway tile, but not your traditional subway tile. It has quite a bit of movement in it. It looks beautiful. If you go straight back, you have still a dining space. In this model, you have a microwave and wall oven. I also wanted to show you the additional storage. You have a hall pantry, which is quite large, as well as a butler's pantry, so for your more storage. And that takes you back into that room in the front. Let's take a look outside. Screened-in porch, which overlooks your beautifully maintained backyard space, and that is a 1-car garage with a carport. Let's head upstairs. Here we are at the top of the landing, which is a nice hall area and transition into the bedrooms. You have 2 secondary bedrooms here that have a Jack and Jill bathroom, as well as a hall closet. But I want to show you some of my favorite features, which is your laundry room is upstairs with cabinetry and a mud sink. But my favorite feature is this master bedroom, which comes with enough room for a sitting area. This is your walk-in closet. And check out this master ensuite. That's a rain head shower as well as a wall shower head. Check out that tub. Couldn't you see yourself soaking in there? And how about that counter space? Off the master is the balcony with views of the green space, which is maintained by the HOA. Come check this home out.